The other day, my cousin reached out to me because she had this list of employee IDs that all started with P in front of it. She wanted to get rid of it. So I showed her one way in which she can do it, using this feature called text to columns in Excel. Now, I want to stipulate, you can only use text to columns if you are confident that the letter P or the character P doesn't show up anywhere else except for the first position of the string. So the first thing that you're going to do to set up yourself to be able to use text to columns is create a new column right after where your data is. So our data is in column C. I'm going to create a new column in between these two. So highlight column D, press Alt, because we're going to use shortcuts, H for home, I for insert, and C for columns. So we insert a new column. Then the next thing you're going to do is highlight the column in which your data is at. So column C. Then press Alt, A for data, and then E for text to columns. Let the system use the default. So let it be delimited. Then press Next. You'll probably notice that tab is selected, or anything else is selected. Unselect everything except for other. Make sure that there's a check mark there. And then type in the character that you want to get rid of. In our case, P, capital P. Then press Finish. There's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Okay, let's do it. So if you notice, what the computer did was it removed the letter P and then shifted the rest of the data to the right in the new column that we added. And there you go, you have it. So if you want to clean this up, you can just, let's rename this ID and then get rid of this column. Or actually, let's use keyboard shortcuts. So highlight this, Alt, H, D for delete, and C for columns. Boom, there you go, done.